Emerging Invasive Species Spotlight: Japanese Spiraea. Japanese Spiraea, Spiraea japonica, is also known as Japanese meadowsweet and Korean Spiraea. It's native to Japan, China, and Korea, and is an emerging invasive species in the Lower Hudson area of New York. It is a perennial deciduous shrub that's low-growing, up to 6 feet tall. It is an ornamental landscape plant that was first cultivated in 1870. It prefers wetter soil and full sun. Japanese Spiraea has a woody stem that are slender and reddish-brown. They are sometimes also hairy. It has alternate, simple, lance-oval shaped leaves that are serrated or sometimes doubly serrated on the margins. The flowers are white to pink that are in a clustered umbel shape at the end of branches. Native Spiraea can look pretty similar, but the flowers form in a raceme structure rather than an umbel. The seeds are brown and are also clustered in an umbel. The seed head will persist after the seeds have been dispersed, so it's a good way to identify Japanese Spiraea. Japanese Spiraea is especially threatening because it can invade a variety of different habitats, from wet riparian areas to forests and even fields. It is an ornamental landscaping plant, so the more it's planted in people's gardens, the higher chance there is that it will escape into a natural area. It can tolerate full sun and partial shade, and a range of different soil conditions. It forms very dense stands that outcompetes native vegetation. It has hundreds of seeds per plant and can be water and fill dirt dispersed. This is the current distribution of Japanese Spiraea as of March 2020. You can see that there is a pretty scattered population within southern New York and western New York. Management of Japanese Spiraea is easily done with manual means. It's very easy to remove Japanese Spiraea with pickmatics. You can mow and cut prior to seed production, but this will take many years. Foliar application with glyphosate or triclopyr, or cut stump application with glyphosate or triclopyr can also be used. Thank you to our partners who made this possible.